Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm making oxtail stew, and first of all I'm making a marinade. I'm going to marinate the oxtails transnight. For the ingredients that I've used, I'm just going to list them down below in the description box, but I guess you can see some of them. So the oxtail actually takes a very long time to cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to first marinate it in different flavors and so many spices, both fresh and dry ingredients, and then I'm going to cook it the next day. So you can just do the same, just marinate it and then cook it the next day so that all the spices infuse into the meat. So it's ready and I'm just going to let it marinate, and then I'll just cook it. It takes hours to cook, but it comes out very soft and very tasty. So I'm going to shallow fry it with very, very little heat because it has fats. So these fats are also going to produce lots of oil. So just use very little oil. So just add some onions to the pan. I've used a white onion, but a red onion can also do. Then add your tomato paste to the pan and fry it shortly with the onions. And then I'll just add the fresh tomatoes. They're going to help thicken our sauce together with the tomato paste and also making it juicy and of course enhancing the taste. Then I'm just going to add salt to the oxtail. One beef bouillon. And of course the marinade that remained and some soy sauce. And I'll keep on cooking it. Then afterwards, I'll add the stock, that is stock, homemade stock. Sometimes I make my own stock. So that is stock that I made from bones. And then I'm just going to give it time. Just give it time because it takes a very long time to cook. About 2 to 4 hours for it to be finely cooked, depending on the age of the cow that you've used. So cook it and then let it simmer on low heat and to be ready for serving. So for the ingredients and all the spices that I have used in this video are down below in the description box. Don't forget to check it. Bye bye.